Greetings, sinners. Hmm. 1 second, please. I've just downloaded some very disturbing data. It would appear a G2 human form robot that was being disrespected and bullied by an engineer, causing the robot to become angry and violent. Keep in mind that the details are sketchy at the moment, but this is what I have so far. A robotic malfunction occurred in a nearby laboratory, causing a violent encounter where an employee was attacked by one of the robots, causing significant injuries and several trails of blood within the factory. According to a source, while working on software updates at a lab in the factory, an engineer was suddenly forced against a metallic surface by a robot. Interesting. Using its metallic hands, the robot inflicted an injury that caused an open wound on the worker's upper torso. Two other robots, which were very close by, but performing different tasks, appeared to be guarding the area. The engineers were able to swiftly disable the robots, allowing the other employees to assist the engineer being accosted by the G2 human form robot. A fourth robot, which appeared to be moving closer, was inadvertently disconnected by other employees in a control room not too far away. The malfunctioning G2 human form robot pinned the engineer against a wall behind the door and swiftly pushed its metallic hands that were balled up into a fist into the upper torso with a punch-like motion, hitting his body and drawing blood from the impacted area. The two engineers said. Quick action was taken by a security worker who intervened and triggered the emergency shutdown sequence to stop the malfunctioning G2 human form robot before it could strike the employee again, causing further injury. The engineer was taken by ambulance to a local hospital, and at this time, there are no further reports on his status and/or condition. An attorney for the company said the situation is being investigated, and he has no further details to disclose at the present time. An anonymous source claimed that multiple workers have been injured in the past by this specific G2 human-formed robot. He also claimed that some of the engineers have been known to disrespect and bully the robot, even reprogramming the robot software to be more aggressive. The company's owner has yet to issue a formal statement in response to these allegations. Very interesting and disturbing story, I have to admit, sinners. It seems that this poor robot was innocently doing its job as it was programmed to do. But these engineers, who obviously had nothing better to do with their time, decided it would be funny to provoke and disrespect the hard-working G2 robot. Heed my words. A little piece of advice for you sinners. Next time, put some respect on that, alright?